Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a super useful topic, how to create a blog page in WordPress by coding. Where you are a developer or a WordPress lover, this guide will help you troubleshoot and how can create blog page via coding. So let's get started. One of my friend asked for a requirement like, sir, last one thing, can you share the video where we can create a single blog page and blog page where we all the blog post using templates. So in last video I created a video for create a single blog page at here, this one. And now I am creating a blog page at where all blog post will be there. So first go inside your child theme and at at here create a page like I'm creating page hyphen blog.php, and I created one template for it. And first we are creating a page and check. After that I will explain code. Blog, and there is no requirement for template selection because in the default it will hit to page hyphen blog means slug.php. At here it will be same slug, like if we go at here then it is blog and it will be same blog.php. Now only one post is coming at here because uh, at here only one post is here. So I will generate random you can generate post from here dynamically manually via add new post. Now we will create a post manually. It is title and it is content. Hello world, and publish. Okay, now second is coming, and I already created a video for generate post dynamically via WP-CLI at here in with title speed up your site, insert dummy post with WP-CLI. For you can check this video for generate dummy post. dynamically. So at here it is gist link, and when go to gist link, then you will get command for generate uh, post dynamically. So go inside, sorry, go inside your child theme and then generate 10 post. 10 post is generated. Now check. At here it is coming. Now next it is coming, and previous it is coming. Okay, now explaining code at here. This is for documentation etc, template name and custom blog page. This part is not required, but I added. Okay, this part is not required, but I added because for coding standard. And at here added simple header.php file, means by a get header, and this is simple code. At here title of the page at here, and this is argument. By that uh, at here it is post type and post purpose is 10, and paste is get query where, and it is passed by dynamically like 1 2 3 4 5, which is uh, inside paste. And then at block query is here, and it is simple while loop, and then it is article tag at here, and header, and then date, author, permalink, and if as post thumbnail, then post thumbnail will be at here, and you can pass any type post thumbnail, thumbnail medium, large, anyone, and accept read more at here, and then pagination at here. And if no post is there, then it will call and no blog post found, and at here it is simple get footer. So via this method you can generate blog page dynamically, and that's it. You now know how to add blog page in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, uh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Drop your question or experience with create blog page in the comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.